With the evolution of technology, there has been an insurgence in IT and digital marketing services all around the world. So SHOPWEB introduces software training for all around the people who want to work in a software company. SHOPWEB software training offers live face-to-face training, remote live training, and on-site training for all IT and other programming skills. We are equipped to meet the specifications of diverse e-learning solutions and digital content development services to set apart in the job market. So let's see some of our courses. We are providing PHP and MySQL, WordPress, web designing, .NET, Adobe Photoshop, software testing, digital marketing, and Java. We can teach software courses with a training certificate, but SHOPWEB only provides training and doesn't indulge in job placement. If you have a desire to learn all these courses, then we are here to provide you the best training. So, what are you waiting for? Go check out our website www.shopweb.in and ready to take your education to the next level.